I hate clickbaity titles,
Oh.
but it's important because this is my last blade that I have for this sawmill. So what's gonna happen next? Well, let's go take a look. So this is my sawmill that I built, um, a limb lumber kit, and right now I have 23 inches between the rollers, which for good straight logs is not a problem. You can cut plenty of wood with that, no issue. For me, I cut a lot of logs that most professional sawyers wouldn't even give a second thought to, and a lot of them are crooked. So that 23 inches shrinks up a whole lot when you're dealing with the curved 18-inch log. And a lot of times it just won't fit through it. And then inevitably I have knots and other things sticking off that you have to wiggle the log around, and it's just not ideal. So what I'm going to do is cut this apart, and these two by twos I'm going to extend out about 6 inches, and effectively make the throat of the saw as wide as the carriage, which is about 36 inches, so that I can have a 36-inch log potentially on here, even though I have no interest in cutting anything that wide because they're super heavy and my tractor won't pick them up. I kind of like the gauge of if the tractor will pick it up, I can saw it, and it's worked pretty well for me so far. So that's kind of the plan. Is I'm going to use up my last blade, and after that I'll take this whole thing apart, fix a few other items that need to be fixed, and get back to sawing. So let's swap this last blade out and get to work. All right, so this lovely piece of lumber, or log back here, I should say, is a piece of elm that I brought back from my trip to North Texas a couple weeks ago. It'll be one of the last logs we cut up on the mill in its current configuration. So let's see what's inside.